Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Ever wanted to write code but got annoyed by all the text? Do you fancy writing code using emojis? Well, check out EmojiCode. EmojiCode is a programming language that describes itself as open source, full-blown programming language consisting of emojis. The language uses emojis to declare variables, create functions, and everything else. I'm sure it'll be either a lot of fun, or incredibly annoying, but go ahead and check it out. Just don't blame me if you put your fist through your monitor because you forgot to place a watermelon emoji at the end.